It is really crazy how quickly June came and went. I can't believe that we are already at the end of the month. Hi, I'm Kathleen and this is my Alabama farm life, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a garden tour. This is hashtag Garden Tour Club hosted by Gail's Southern Living. There are over 35 creators in this collaboration, and in the description I'm going to leave the playlist for June, so go check it out. You might have the chance to win prizes or also make new friends. Keep an eye out for Gail's video in July that will announce the winners. I also want to give a huge shout out for Jen at Fractured Christian. If you're not aware of her channel, you really need to go check her out. I want to start the tour here in the tomato garden. We have 2 rows of tomatoes out here. We've got beefsteaks, Better Boys, the lemon Better Boys. We've got some Cherokees and a couple of other varieties, but they are turning red and yellow, and we have been getting a lot of tomatoes from the garden this year. We've done a lot of work and we're really proud of the payoff. We also have a row of okra right here next to the tomatoes. My son didn't think that they came up, but they are, and I'm very happy. But just to make sure, he went ahead and bought some more okra, and we've got them out here in this field, along with some watermelons and some Seminole pumpkins. They seem to be doing pretty good. However, it is really wet out here. We've been getting a lot of rain. Now over here on the other side of the field, we have our Charleston Gray watermelons. And we've been going out here searching for the watermelons. And at last count, we had 11 melons out here. And again, really happy with the results that we are getting. I'm pleased with the rain, but yeah, not the mud. And I wanted to show you guys what I found in my little pool. Now this is my survival seed garden. And I ended up finding some calendula and some lemon balm. I'm really pleased with that. And then I discovered I have mullein growing. Very pleased. And then I also have another borage coming up. So we're going to get some more beautiful purple flowers. So really excited for the find that I found in my little pool. Now in front of my house where my raised beds are, I've got my mums and my oregano. I also have some asparagus growing in a container. I need to do something with that. But in this front bed, this is where I had my garlic. I've already pulled up my garlic. And from previous videos, if you've been watching, I planted peppers and I also planted some kale in here. But the only thing that's growing is the peppers. One of them died. The chickens got to them. I also started moving my plants around in my survival seed garden. I went ahead and brought my 3 pepperoncini plants up here with my other peppers so I can keep an eye on them and water them. Now this is where I had my carrots and some radish and some onions. It's a mess. The chickens have been in it digging. I need to clean it out and decide what I'm going to put in here next. But this is what it looks like right now. In my froggy bed, we planted some tomatoes. We had some extra tomatoes that we purchased to replace some in the other garden, and they ended up not going in. So we decided to put them out here. So I think these are Better Boys. We have 3 of them. One isn't very pretty, but I think it'll be okay. And then I put 3 Everglades tomatoes out here. 2 are doing well, but the other one died. Now, the Everglade tomato is a super tiny cherry tomato, and I can't wait to see if they'll grow here. They love the heat. And I need to go ahead and do a little update on my weird container. The marigolds are doing really well, but the nasturtium and the peppers died. I think the clear plastic is just too hot. So maybe something else that likes the heat, or maybe it's just not an option at all. But down there in the bottom, the marigolds are growing great, and I'm going to collect some seeds here soon. Now over here in my herb garden, it is a mess as usual. I got some weeds growing in here. Probably should go ahead and take the potatoes out that I have here. But look at all that sage. The sage and the spearmint is growing like crazy. Both my rosemary are doing really good. And then on the other side is my oregano. And again, this is just a crazy mess. But the chickens have been getting into it, but there's just so much in here that they really couldn't put a dent in it. But guys, look at all those flowers. This thing is still blooming. This is the sage and the spearmint that's blooming. And look at all the pollinators. Isn't that awesome? All right, guys, that's going to be it for this garden tour. And don't forget to watch the playlist. Don't miss out on winning some great prizes with this collaboration. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video and supporting my channel. You guys have a blessed and joyous day, and I will see you on my next video. I missed it.
Look at my little hunter.